Hey guys, I'm Harries from Bondi Rescue. Now we're in my backyard. This is a little bit different than paddling out on my board and pulling someone in. I'll have my hands on deck to save my backyard. I've got so many things going on here. I feel like a kid in a candy store. We're putting a crazy pave in. That doesn't mean people are going to be crazy in my backyard. I've got the crazy pave going down the side driveway in the travertine. I've also got a fireplace going in with a veneer stone Arctic look done by Amber. It's just going to look gorgeous. Come with me, you might even create a backyard that looks like mine. We're in my driveway and we are creating a space that we're going to use. The old concrete driveway was mossy, slippery for the kids riding their bikes up and down here. This space was quite void, it looked tired and old. Now we're creating the oasis that we've always dreamed of, the crazy pave. It's been around for thousands of years. It originates out of Rome. The Egyptians used to use some of the crazy pave from leftover construction to make pathways. Most of the travertine comes from those unique countries that have a lot of history. We're putting it in our backyard and we're creating a space that we're going to fall in love with, of course. To do this, you do need experts. It's not as easy as just putting a puzzle together. You have to have an eye for irregular shapes, and that's where the boys come from, Exotic Living. And we've got Mitch here. These guys are incredible. I've got Cam out the back here. They're creating a pathway for us that is organic. It doesn't follow a line and it's very irregular in its shaping. I always find when I look at a crazy pave, I don't want my eyes to follow a finish line anywhere.
Yeah, every installer has their own style. Some will like to use a lot of triangles, others like to have more like rounded shapes. Us personally, we kind of like to break a continuous line by not having anything run longer than 900 mils in a small space, as it'll naturally draw your eye.
When you're doing a job like this, is it hard? Is it a hard job to do?
Oh, it's definitely not easy. So generally, you pick up a piece, just try use it. Otherwise, you'll be overthinking it on where it should go. So I've got this piece here. See that it just misses out and fitting in tightly. What we're looking to do is try to keep a consistent 10 mil line. So an easy way to trace the tile going in is lift the opposing tile and slide it slightly under, and then we can trace the new tile that we want to lay. And then so remember where it goes, we just want to mark a line on each opposing tile again. So when we place it back down, they can line up.
Now, there's another thing that I've picked up that you guys do that I haven't noticed other landscapers do, and you're actually chipping the rock in a traditional way. You look down at the patterns and you just go, wow, how did you even get it like that? It looks so natural.
Get our brick hammer and put it over our steel bar and slowly chip away at the line, move in as we're hitting it. So we're not trying to take off too much stone at once, otherwise it'll shatter. And then we just try line our tiles back up. And then you can see we've got more of a consistent 10 mil join around the outside of the tile.
This just like slice your pizza up. I reckon I should send you back over to Rome for a bit and maybe make you a pharaoh.
If you're going to pay for the holiday, we'll definitely take it.
We've created the most amazing space down our driveway with the travertine crazy pave that we've put in. This was a void space, and to just see the colourway jump at us, it looks like you're on the rocks down at Bondi. We've created an absolute masterpiece down the side of our house. Somewhere that was a void area that we didn't use now becomes somewhere that is utilised daily. It is space that we're absolutely in love with. How do you feel about this?
I love it. I absolutely love it. We had concrete here before and it was okay initially, and then it got really mossy and yucky.
Having this travertine paver that we've placed on top of the concrete, it's just added a beautiful oasis down the side here.
Well, it's more inviting. I think like concrete is concrete. I just love, apart from the look of this, like I love the feel of it because I walk bare feet a lot. It feels so nice under my feet, and I could just stand on these all day. They're so smooth under your feet, so I love that. And I've also noticed like they don't get hot. The stone is really lovely. It's really complemented our crazy pave wall as well.
You can create two spaces into one quite simply by doing this, and as you've seen here, it's not just the cladding and it's not just the travertine, but it's also the grout which makes the wall pop and it makes the travertine just come out too. We've created something that we've dreamt about.
And it's just an inviting area to enter our house. We've got a lot of traffic in here, lots of kids coming all the time, bikes.
We've had this professionally sealed. That sealant adds a lot of value to the product as well, so it's very easy to clean. All of the grates are UV stable and come with 25 years warranty against fading. And to have the guidance from Amber to create a pathway to heaven is what we've done down here.
The staff at Amber have been amazing at just helping us elevate this space, make it really luxurious and just a space that we want to be in all the time.
Amber's been incredible, and the result that we've created here, we are just in love with. To complete this backyard, we needed a showstopper, and having a fireplace with a veneer stone Arctic cladding wrapped around it, the shape of it is like an arch, which I'm creating a little bit like my pool. It's a place that everyone can hang out. I can bring my kids and my beautiful wife, we can cook marshmallows. It's a focal point that you want to look at. We decided to take our backyard space to the next level. We have the beautiful shower with a gorgeous piece of Arctic behind. We've created this stunning entertainment space that the whole family can enjoy. You create a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing backyard with either your tiles or paver, but it's vitally important that you actually look at the slip trip rating, especially around a pool area where it's going to be wet. You try and stop kids from running, they are going to run around a pool. For us, choosing our tiles, the limestone Travertine paver, which is a slip trip rating of 4 out of 5, which is incredible. And I want my kids to be safe. I'm a risk and safety man, and I've got to look after everyone else. But aesthetically, we absolutely love the colours. Now, over time, products wear. We've had it down for over 3 years now, and it still looks brand new. And having that sandstone cladding that goes under the paver, they just fit and they work together. If you would like to take your backyard to the next level, make sure you visit us in store or online at ambertiles.com.au.
Amber has the answer.